Banawe at night has a rhythm of its own. Cars pass slowly, neon signs hum in Mandarin and English, and the smell of soy, sesame, and broth floats through the air. This is Banawe Street, the culinary spine of Quezon City's Chinese-Filipino community. A place built not for spectacle, but for substance. Locals like to say Binondo is the head of the dragon and Banawe its tail. A Feng Shui belief that energy flows from the old Chinatown to this bustling stretch of car shops and eateries. Maybe that's why food feels alive here, grounded yet rich in spirit. And somewhere along this road of headlights and lanterns is a place that caught Michelin's quiet attention. A restaurant without pretense. No grand entrance, no luxury plating. Just honesty on every table. We're still here in Banawe for our Michelin Guide escapade. Now we're going to Fong Wei Wu, the other side of the road. So tawid tayo. There. Next stop is this Fong Wei Wu. It's a Taiwanese restaurant, pero nasa gilid lang din siya. This is along Banawe here in Quezon City. This is one of the Michelin selected restaurants here in the Philippines. So there are around 108 restaurants recognized by Michelin, and this is one of the 74 that are selected. So 25 are Bib Gourmand, 9 with stars, 8 are 1 star, and only 1 2-star restaurants here in the Philippines. So unlike Morningstar, dito wala namang pila sa labas kasi medyo may kalakihan yung space sa loob. And maraming tao din sa loob na kumakain. Medyo puno siya. At 2 floors naman siya, so kaya siguro hindi din ganun haba yung pila sa labas. But I'm sure it's popular in Banawe, especially right now that it's being recognized by Michelin. So tara, pasukin na rin. Kain tayo. Inside, it feels like a carinderia with aircon. Plain walls, straightforward tables, and familiar hum of comfort food being served fast and fresh. Nothing fancy, nothing forced. Just the kind of place you'd come to after a long day when you need something that feels right. Ano bestseller niyo sa noodles?
Beef noodles kaso sir bukas na siya mag-available. Gusto na kami ng kimchi. Ato dumpling noodles.
Hindi, wala.
May single serving.
One size lang.
Sige.
Sa tsaka fried rice pork chop. Bali dumpling noodles sir, tsaka mixed pork rice. Okay po.
May coke kaya?
Ano lang sir, royal tsaka Sprite.
Sige, royal lang.
Grape or orange?
Orange.
Dumpling noodles dine in.
Their best sellers, the signature dumplings, fried noodles, and beef noodles, were already sold out when I arrived. So tonight, I settled for 2 classics, the wonton noodles and the braised beef rice. Simple dishes, but each one tells you everything you need to know about why this place made it to the Michelin Guide. The noodles have just the right chew, light, balanced, comforting. The broth feels both familiar and clean. And the beef rice carries that deep, steady flavor that only slow cooking and patience can achieve. There's no flash here, no overthinking, just deliberate craft. Food that knows what it's supposed to be and stays true to it. That's what Michelin saw. Not luxury but consistency. Not complexity but care. The kind of excellence that doesn't ask to be noticed. It just is. Ito na yung akin. Thank you.
Additional daw, isang tenga.
Apple. Thank you. Recognition doesn't always come with stars or trophies. Sometimes it comes in the form of a full dining room, the sound of chopsticks against porcelain, and the quiet satisfaction of people who know they've found something special, without needing anyone to tell them so. In a city obsessed with new trends and loud openings, Fong Wei Wu stands as a reminder that greatness can live in small spaces, in honest flavors, and in people who keep showing up because the food feels like home. The Michelin Guide may have given them the label, but the heart of this place was here long before that, built in comfort, community, and quiet pride. I'm Valendez, and this is Michelin on a Budget. Because in the Philippines, recognition doesn't need to be loud, it just needs to be sincere.